As the old saying goes, practice makes perfect. The more you do something, the better you get at it. Which begs the question, what are you practicing? Anything you repeatedly do, you're getting better at. So, going on social media and getting angry, complaining about things, gossiping about people, all kinds of habits that we may not want to get perfect at, but we are getting better at because we do them over and over again. And maybe it's time to become consciously aware of that and change that. Because if you're not changing it, you're choosing it. So, taking full responsibility for your own well being, tap to clear what stops us from making positive changes. Just repeat back after me. I choose to practice better things, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to practice better things, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to practice better things because the more I do something, the better I get at it. And I may be practicing things I don't really want to get good at. I choose to practice better things, and I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and maybe anyone else who might be involved in this. I choose to practice better things. I choose to spend more time on positive habits, those things that I really want to get good at. Because there are certain behaviors that I might be doing on a regular basis, which means I'm getting better and better at them. How will I feel when I get a gold medal in that behavior? Do I really want a certificate of performance in that behavior? Do I want people saying to me, you are really excellent at putting angry comments on social media. You must put in a lot of hard work on that. Oh, the hours I have spent perfecting this. Is that who I really want to be? Is that who I really think I am? Who would I really like to be? What do I want people to say about me, both now and after I'm gone? This person was really good at such and such. What do I want that such and such to be? And maybe that's what I should be practicing. I choose to practice compassion. I choose to practice patience. I choose to practice finding the good in other people. I choose to practice self-love. And I'm acknowledging that I'm doing that right now in this moment. And since I'm the sort of person who does this, I am the sort of person who wants to do really good such and suches. And those are the things I'm practicing. And I choose to be curious rather than judgmental about those other things that I practice. The unloving things I might be doing, the unhealthy things I might be doing. Am I working towards a gold medal in poor food choices? It's not because I'm bad or stupid. It's not because I'm weak or lazy. It's because of my programming. Whether it's about food choices or how I handle or mishandle money, how I treat other people, I've been doing what I've been taught, either taught by other people or what I came up with because of my own misunderstandings. And even though part of me might have known better, it still felt necessary to engage in that behavior. And maybe it became a habit. And I have practiced it until I've gotten really good at it. And now part of me might be saying, I really ought to quit that habit. And another part of me is saying, but we're so good at it. It's not a good reason to keep practicing it. I'm allowing myself to get more clear about who I choose to be. And I choose to practice that, making a habit of doing the things that person does. I may not reach perfection, but I'll get better and better at whatever I repeat. So I'm choosing really good things to repeat. I'm practicing love for myself and others. It makes for a better world, and it makes for a better life for me. Allowing myself to practice better and better things as an act of love for myself in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath and let it go. And lather, rinse, repeat as necessary. Keep allowing yourself to let go of those old habits and, being compassionate with yourself for having taken those on for whatever reason, clearing those reasons and allowing yourself to decide, who do you really want to be? Who do you want people to say that you are and that you were after you're gone? And allow yourself to practice being that person. On behalf of the world, thank you for doing that. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.